This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Beatriz Bohrer. Beautiful, natural light, 2-bed, 2-bath, open floor plan, split bedrooms, first floor condo in a resort-style gated community. There are 2 assigned parking spaces. First, last and security, along with credit and background checks are required. Condo Association has a 620 plus minimum credit score. Landlord does not allow pets at this time. Lots of shopping, restaurants and entertainment nearby. For more information, review the details below.